Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi, born 5 October 1952, is a Pakistani politician and former cricketer who served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan from August 2018 until April 2022. He is the founder and chairman of the political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). Imran Khan is a prominent Pakistani politician and the founder of the political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). PTI, often referred to simply as Imran Khan's party, was established in 1996 with the goal of promoting a platform based on principles of justice, equality, and anti-corruption. Imran Khan's political career has been characterized by his advocacy for reform and a commitment to fighting corruption in Pakistani politics. He has served as the Prime Minister of Pakistan since August 2018, following the party's victory in the general elections under Khan's leadership. PTI has focused on issues such as education, healthcare, and economic development. The party's vision is to create a Naya Pakistan, New Pakistan, that is more just and prosperous. Please let me know if you would like more specific information about Imran Khan or PTI.